Hi there, I'm now going to discuss with you reorder points. With reorder points, you can set a minimum and a maximum quantity for each product and activate a report accordingly. On your product manager screen, select an item, click edit or double click on the product, select reorder points, select a store you would like to set the reorder points for. You can manually edit the minimum and the maximum quantity, or you can select on the minimum quantity, right click and select apply to all. You may do the same for the maximum quantity. Click update, and that is how you would set reorder points on Posworx. I'm now going to show you how to view a report on reorder points. Click Reports, View Reports, select Stock on drop-down, select Stock Reorder Points Minimum and Maximum, click Go. Select the store you would like to view the reorder points report for. See reorder points report. Close report. And that is how you would view a reorder points report. And that's the end of our training. Please like and subscribe to our channel.